you're on your mat. I'm going to just be a little slower here. All right, so the right foot back. I want you to come up on the ball of your foot. All right. Now we're going to pulse our way down to the floor, and we're going to end up on the right knee. All right. You ready? So pulse 1. Come back up. 2. Go down a little further. You may need to change your stance. 3. Come back up. 4. Almost there. Come back up. And 5. Take it all the way down to your knee. Bring your foot back. The left foot back. You're just up on your knee. Alright? Just up on your knee. Because that can be a little bit for that right knee. Now, get up off the ground without using our hands. Left foot forward. Right foot back. Push off that big toe. Lift up off of the floor. And bring that foot forward. Alright? Let's do the other side. Now, hinging on the back. Here we go. Pulsing down. 1. Come back up. 2 down a little more. 3. Down a little more. 4. Almost there. Come back up. And 5. Take it all the way down to the mat. And bring the knee back. Get that off a little bit of pressure off of your knees. And now, coming up off of the floor without touching your hands. There, right foot forward. That knee's under you. You're pushing, propulsing. Push up on that left foot. And bring the feet together. All right.